Richard Southern is here to chat about some of the day's top business stories, starting with something that's on everyone's mind, Richard, interest rates.
Yeah, when are we going to get a rate cut?
Right.
I know my friends with variable rate mortgages are eager to hear that news, Erica. We may get a hint this week. Bank of Canada is going to make an interest rate decision on Wednesday. And economists say they're going to be busy parsing over the statement in 2 days' time for any clues as to when that rate cut may come. As for this Wednesday's rate decision, we're not expecting anything. The central bank largely expected to keep interest rates right where they are at 5%. But, with the economy continuing to slow a little bit, and with inflation still remaining a little bit of an issue, economists are kind of at odds about, when or if we're going to see a rate cut. Many, Erica, still think it's going to be maybe mid-year, the spring into mid-year. But if inflation keeps running higher, it's possible we don't see that cut. Of course, the Bank of Canada has warned it could hike rates again if it needs to.
Right. We'll be keeping a close eye on that one. Okay. Now, an interest rate decision is also looming south of the border, and investors are certainly feeling confident on Wall Street, Richard.
Wall Street has never been higher than it is right now. So, if you got, like many of us do, some investments in U.S. equities, might want to check that portfolio, Erica. Doing okay. The Dow closed above 38,000 for the first time today when the closing bell rang, the highest ever. And the S&P 500 also notched a record, its second one in a row. Corporate earnings are really helping. 10% of U.S. companies have reported earnings so far, with 65% easily beating expectations. Big earnings coming in later this week from the likes of IBM, Tesla, and Netflix. TSX not doing too badly either, Erica, with the benchmark close to 21,000. Stocks are looking okay right now.
Hey, good news there. And finally, Tesla has taken plenty of heat over its Cybertruck. And now there's another figurative stain on the vehicle's reputation.
Yeah, what do you make of this? This is like the craziest thing we've seen.
Yes.
Design-wise.
Yeah, Cybertruck is an interesting.
Would you be driving around in one of these?
I would like to try it once.
Yeah.
Sure, but not, full time.
No, they constructed it out of stainless steel. And now they're saying to the people who have shelled out big money for this, hey, you got to make sure that you wipe anything like bird droppings off the truck immediately, ASAP, because it can corrode the metal.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Dead bugs and bird poop, Tesla suggests you got to wipe off as soon as you can. And in winter, the Cybertruck exposed to road salt, as it certainly would be here in Toronto, is also an issue. The company says that needs to be cleaned off right away. Same story for tar and oil. So, they kind of build this as being very rugged and durable. This kind of casts some questions
Maybe
on
not
that.
so much. You have to be very intentional with when and where you're driving the
Yeah,
Cybertruck.
futuristic, but make sure you get the bugs off the windshield.
Exactly.